Hi everyone, what's up? I'm back with another Pyspark coding question which is commonly asked in data engineer interviews. The question I'm going to solve today is mentioned on the screen. I'm going to show you what this question is about and how to solve this, so please watch the video till the end. If you're interested in practicing more such Pyspark questions, then you can check out the videos in the I button. And if you want to watch the entire playlist on different data engineering topics, then the link is present in the description. If you're new to the channel, then please push the subscribe button as it will help my channel grow. I post videos every week to help you clear your next interview. Also, if you found this video useful, then please click the like button and share it with your friends. Now, let's get started with the video. Calculate the total amount spent by each customer on products within a given year. You are given a dataset containing information about customer transactions. Each transaction has the following fields: customer ID, transaction date, product ID, and transaction amount. So you need to calculate, first thing is the total amount spent by each customer on products within a given year. Identify the top 2 products they spend the most money on. Additionally, return the overall total spending of each customer across all 3 years. Let's take a look at the data first. So as you can see, I have the input data here, and we have customer ID, transaction date, product ID, transaction amount. So based on this input, you have to calculate all these 3 things. The link to this notebook is in the description, and you can reuse this input data and try to solve this question on your own. Meanwhile, let's check out the solution. So the first question is, calculate the total spending by each customer for each product in a particular year. And I'm assuming the particular year is 2023. So first what I've done is, this is my source data frame, and I'm filtering out the 2023's data from the source. So I've done df.filter. Then I'm using the year function to get the year part out of the transaction date column, then equating it against 2023 to get only the 2023's data into this df underscore 2023. Now I'm creating this customer product spending, and what I'm doing is I'm grouping by the customer ID, product ID, and doing a sum on the transaction amount. Because the question asked me, calculate total spending, which is this the sum of transaction amount, by each customer for each product. That's why I'm doing a group by on each customer and each product. Now, finally, the result is I have customer ID, product ID, and total spend, which is the name of the column that I created here. So each customer bought, let me arrange this. So each customer, so let's say customer 1 bought A, B, and C, and this is the total spending that this customer 1 did on each of this product. Now customer 2 bought A and C, and this is the total spending that customer 2 did on A, and this is the one that customer 2 did on C. So I hope this is clear, like how I'm solving the question 1. Moving on, I have next question, which is find the top 2 products by spending for each customer in 2023. Whenever you get scenarios where you have to find out the top 2 or bottom 2, or where you have to arrange something in a particular order, then we create a window function. We need a window function for that. Now, the question says find top 2 products by spending for each customer. So that's why this customer ID is in the partition by column. Basically, all the window will be based on the customer ID. Now, the question again asked me find the top 2 products. So I have ordered the rows inside each window by total spend. Total spend is the same column that I created here. Basically, based on the spending of each customer, I'm ordering the rows inside the customer window. Once I have this window spec ready, then all I have to do is I have to use a window function. In this case, I am using a rank function. So what I'm doing is customer product spending dot with column, and I'm calling this new column as rank, then rank dot over window spec. So this is the syntax of using the rank function. And because I need the top 2 products, so I am filtering the rank column less than equal to 2. So this gives me the first two rows. Finally, I have selected these set of columns, and I have customer ID, product ID, total spent. Basically, in this window, that is customer ID 1 window, there are 2 products, that is A and C, which are the most spent by this customer. And customer ID 2, the second window, these 2 products are the most spent by this customer. Now moving to the last question, calculate total spending for each customer across all years. Now if you remember in the question 1, we find out calculate total spending by each customer for each product. That's why I had grouped the whole data by customer ID and product ID. But in this case, we only have to find out what each customer did, what each customer total spending is. That's why what I've done is in the source data frame, I've done a group by on customer ID and just did a sum of transaction amount. That gives me total spent. So this is customer ID 1. So customer ID 1 total spent is 820 and customer ID 2 total spent is 550. So this kind of questions you can expect in a mid-senior role. A single question can be divided into 3-4 parts to confuse you. So again, the link to this notebook is in the description, and if you are interested to know more such Pyspark question, you will get those links in the I button as well as in the description. For now, that's all. So that's it for this video. If you found it useful, then please share it with your friends and like the video. In the coming few weeks, I have planned many such videos on Pyspark and SQL interview questions. So stay tuned for them, and if you have not subscribed, then please press the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.